Hello kids, हे हमारा color, ये red color, ये pink color, ये orange color, ये sky blue color, ये green color, ये येलो कलर। इस वीडियो में सीखने वाले बच्चों अल्फाबेट A B C D। A for apple, B for basket, C for candy, D for dolphin, E for elephant, F for fox, G for goat, H for honey, I for ice cream, J for jelly, K for king, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nut, O for ox, P for panda, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for tiger, U for uniform, V for violin, W for watermelon, X for X-ray, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. Bye bye kids. Bye bye.